Hi, everyone! This video will go over how to create a credit score bar graph. So we're going to be using the information from page 33 of the credit card math workbook to help us create a credit score bar graph. So in the book, it tells us that a bar graph uses horizontal or vertical bars to show how things compare to one another. It can also show how something has changed over time. For the past 8 months, Keisha's credit score has changed every month. Use the information from the chart to the right to complete the bar graph about Keisha's monthly credit score. Alright, so we're going to be using the information from this chart to help us create a credit score bar graph using Google Sheets. So now if I come over here to the Google Sheet, which I have labeled credit score bar graph activity, we're going to label column A the month, and then we're going to label column B the credit score. Now we are ready to start entering the data that will help us create our credit score bar graph. So if we come back over and take a look at page 33 of the credit card math workbook, as we can see here, for January, Keisha's credit score was 700. For the month of February, her credit score was 725. For March, her credit score was 800. For the month of April, her credit score was 750. For May, her credit score was 750. For the month of June, her credit score was 700. For July, her credit score was 650. And for the month of August, her credit score was 725. Now that all of the data has been entered, we are ready to create our credit score bar graph. So from here, we're going to come up to Insert, and then we're going to select Chart. And then from here, we're going to select a bar chart. Now, as you can see here, the x-axis shows the month, and the y-axis shows the credit score. So the last thing that we're going to do is title our bar chart. Now you can choose to title this bar chart whatever you would like. So I'm going to title this bar chart Keisha's Credit Scores for 2022. And there you have it. Now you know how to create a credit score bar graph. I hope you found this video to be helpful and useful. If you have, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, share, and also subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!